Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I went out and I tried to find some hand sanitizer and I was not able to do so. So we're going to make some hand sanitizer. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on all post notifications and let's jump right into it. Okay guys, let's go ahead and make the hand sanitizer. Our very own do-it-yourself hand sanitizer. The first thing you're going to need these ingredients. You're going to need 2/3 cup of alcohol. This is the alcohol. This is the 91% alcohol. Anything less than 60 or 60 is not good. So we want to go ahead and get this particular alcohol or any kind of alcohol that you can find. Aloe Vera. This is just no scented aloe vera. I got this from Walgreens. This is one that has coloring to it. I'm going to try both, but I'm going to use that one first because I want the one with no coloring, as well as some essential oils. I have lavender oil and I have peppermint oil. So I'm going to do both of them so that I can have some scent. Those are the two essential oils just to give it some smell to it. Okay, I have all my ingredients here. We're going to just use a regular bowl. I'm going to use a regular bowl. I've got a plastic bowl here. That's not really a bowl, but that's a container. That'll be good. I also have a measuring cup, so I need this measuring cup as well. I have these. These are travel size bottles. I got these from Walgreens, and these are a travel size kit. I got the travel size kit. So I have enough bottles to fill up some travel ones, as well as I also have a recycled pump bottle. And that will give us some hand sanitizer in the pump bottle, if you can see that one. So that will give us some in the pump bottle. So I have those recycled ones as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the alcohol. So this is the alcohol. We're going to use this alcohol and we're going to measure the alcohol. And we need 2/3 cups of alcohol. So I'm going to pour some 2/3 cup. Oh, let's take the thing off first. And before you do this, make sure your hands are clean. The purpose of doing this is so that you can clean your hands. So make sure that your hands are clean. That's very important. So I did wash my hands before I started. I didn't think I needed any gloves or anything. All of this stuff is totally okay. So let's just do it ourselves. So we're gonna need 2/3 cup of alcohol, and so I've got my 2/3 cup of alcohol. I'm gonna pour it into my bowl. All right. Then I'm gonna use 1/3 cup of aloe vera. And I thought this wasn't green, but it's green as well. But it says for sensitive hands. So I'm just gonna use 1/3 cup of it. And you notice I just kind of leveled it down because I don't want to go over. So this has got glycerin in it. I'm not going to add any extra anything to it, but it does have glycerin in it and some other ingredients in it. Every ingredient that's in their hand sanitizer is in that. All right. Now I'm going to pour this inside of my bowl as well. I have a spoon too, so I can get it out of there. But I just kind of wanted to measure it and see if I can get it. All right. Now with this one, I'm going to use lavender. So I'm going to start to mixing it. I just feel like you're supposed to mix it. Making our own hand sanitizer. And me, I'm looking for the consistency, just like in hand sanitizer. Keep in mind this is alcohol, and because that was in that container, I want to get the same kind of consistency. Right now I have more alcohol than I need, I think. And maybe we'll just add a little bit more because I do want the consistency. And it basically took up the whole thing. This time I didn't measure because I want consistency. But I gave you the measurements, so you can do it as you wish. But I want mine to feel like hand sanitizer. Or I don't want my hands to dry all out. So I just feel like I need more glycerin to it. Okay, now I'm going to drop, use the essential oil. And I chose the lavender, this brand here. It doesn't matter what kind, what brand, just some essential oils. I like the smell of lavender, so I'm going to drop 8 to 10 drops. I think I'm going to drop 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. And that's just to give it a smell. All right, so I'm going to keep on mixing here. That's 1 and 2. And the other one, I'll use the peppermint, but you can use any essential oil you like for the smell. And just so you won't smell just straight alcohol. And there you go. There you have it. I have some hand sanitizer that I have made. 1, 2. So as we go along, I still have ingredients left. I'll go ahead and just make more. And we now have hand sanitizer on deck. So that's how you make hand sanitizer. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is what it turned out to look like. And as you see, it's got the gel-like in it. And this one is a little bit liquidy. And as time went on, I hope you enjoyed it. So hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you in the next video. Bye now.